I got the right temperature for shelter you from the storm.
Hello everybody, this is Nora, and on this video I am excited to show you one of Model 1's newest collections for this season. They have come up with 3 new collections. If you remember, in the past they had Blue Blood and the Travelers collection, and now they have 3 new ones. They have the Smoothie collection, Temperature, and Budapest Hotel. The one that I have here to show you and give you some swatches, this one is the Temperature collection. So as you can see, beautiful, beautiful packaging. Let's see, I wanted to show you the label here. It says the Temperature half set, and it has the 7 bottles. And I like how these colors are labeled because they used temperature settings. So not temperature settings, but like they go from 100 degrees to 10 below, or it's actually called below 10. But you know what I found interesting too? They chose to use Fahrenheit. And if I am not mistaken, I believe the United States is the only place where we are still using Fahrenheit. Is that right? So yeah, I thought it was interesting they chose to use Fahrenheit, so I did like that. Okay, so beautiful packaging, as you can see. If you've seen before, look at that, so fancy. This is just makes an absolute unique collection to do as a gift, present as a gift. It comes with a nice card here telling you about the product and how to use it. But look at that. Look at those beautiful, beautiful bottles. So yes, 7 bottles right here. And I have already, I'm doing this introduction on this video after I've already done my swatches. I will leave you with those clips so you can see the colors. Not what I have on my hands, because I just didn't plan my introduction right, but this is now my weekend mani, and it's just regular polish. But let me go ahead and I want to go ahead and take these out of here and give you an up close look of the bottles. So here they are, all out of the box, and placing them here, they kind of reminded me of dominoes. It's like playing with dominoes with these. Okay, so let me show you. So 100, they go from 100 Fahrenheit to 10 below, and the 100 is this gorgeous, gorgeous bright red. Check it out. Wow. And as always, when I did swatches on these, and I did it on my natural nails, beautiful, beautiful formula, not too thick, not too thin or runny, and yes, it stays in place, doesn't run to my cuticles at all. The packaging, I do love the packaging. Some people don't care much for the square tops. I don't mind it. Yes, truly, when they hardly ever go back to lining up with the bottle. I don't mind that either, okay? I take it for what it is. So, and again, so this set runs $40 on Amazon. I'll have the link down in the description bar below. And put it on your wish list. Christmas is coming, right? 3 months out. Wow. Okay. The second one is 80 degrees. This one is so the red and the orange are the brightest of the entire collection. Check it out. And it doesn't look it here, but you just wait. I mean, when I went to put this on, it is super, super bright, and it kind of has a jelly formula to it, but very pigmented, very, very pigmented. I did 2 coats for all swatches. Then all the others, you have, see, that had the stickers. So all the others, you have 60, 50, 40 degrees, 20, and then 10 below. So these tend from 60 on down. To me, they seem more like in the pastel family, okay? So the 2 bright, you have 180. There are the brightest colors of these. So a beautiful collection. If you guys have any questions about these, leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. Remember that I have a link down in the description bar below to where you can find these on Amazon. And I will go ahead and leave you with the swatches, and I hope you guys enjoy. So here are all the beautiful colors, and stay tuned guys, because I will also have swatches and reviews of the other two collections. And I will go ahead and leave you with some nail art. Yeah, these are temperature, and I chose to do seasons over the 4 colors of my right hand. Here they are. I use H. La Cosadora acrylic stamping plates. I created a tone-on-tone backdrop, and then on top of that, I chose the Spanish little name of the stamping plates to put over my nails for nail art. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.